When it comes to academic success, it is important to understand that reading is not a one-size-fits-all activity. The study-type reading speed is the slowest and most intensive method, designed for high concentration when you need to retain complex details. In this mode, you should aim for a pace of 200 to 300 words per minute. Strive for a high comprehension level of 80 to 90%. Because this is an active process, you should be engaging with the text through note-making and carefully analyzing what you read. Note-making is the essential practice of capturing key points from books, articles, and reports. It is distinct from note-taking in lectures because the material is revisitable, allowing you to pause and reread sections. Whether you are note-making or note-taking, the core principles remain the same. First, ensure you understand the material before you record it. Pay close attention to headings and subheadings to grasp the structure. Keep an eye out for signal words like furthermore, consequently, or the most important, which often highlight key points. Focus on conveying the maximum amount of information while omitting unnecessary filler. Maintain a clear logical flow by using symbols, spacing, and consistent numbering. To practice your study speed, consistently record your start and end times to calculate your words per minute. If you find yourself reading slower than 200 words per minute, keep practicing to improve both your speed and accuracy. When you encounter difficult vocabulary, try to use context clues before reaching for the dictionary. After you finish a passage, test your retention by answering comprehension questions without looking back at the text. Ultimately, your reading speed should be determined by your purpose, the time you have available, and how much you need to comprehend. By adjusting your speed to match the complexity of the material, you will develop a fundamental skill for lasting academic success.